Hey guys, it's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am planning on doing a look using the Daisy Marquez palette. Now if you guys haven't heard, Daisy Marquez did create a palette with BH Cosmetics and it looks like this. I'm pretty sure everybody has already seen it. It's just so beautiful, and it's so unique because there is a mirror. So you can just pop it up like this and it is your own vanity, which is so cute that she created this. It's so unique. I never seen any palette like this, and it also is a magnet. So I can't wait to show you guys what I am going to create with this palette. If you're not already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and join this little family that we have going on here. I am planning on doing a giveaway pretty soon. The giveaway items will be listed down below if you're interested in knowing what the giveaways are. So like always, let's just jump right in the video. Okay, to start off, you guys already know what primer I'm going to use. I don't have to say it in every video, but if you guys are new, it is the Morphe eyelid primer. Okay, now I'm just going to pack Bittersweet on my crease. Now with a Morphe M507, I'm going to be blending Karma above Bittersweet. Now picking up the shade Flower on a Morphe M506, I'm just going to be placing it above Karma. Okay, next, once you have those shades blended out, you're simply just going to want to cut your crease. And the brush that I always use to cut my crease is a Morphe M421 brush. Okay, now I'm going to be packing Flower on my inner corner, almost halfway to the center of my eye. I want to stop right there. Now just packing Karma on the outer side of my eye. I am grabbing a different 507 and mixing flour and caramel just to get that orange shape that I want. And blending it right here in between. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup and I'll be back with the final look. Okay guys, and this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like always, I do post videos every Tuesdays and Thursdays. And if you want to see more of me, I do have my social media linked down below as well. I do snap more often than I do on my Instagram story these days. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.